Next one. Last man.
Alright, come on.
Where are we going?
We're dead.
Oh god.
Fuck man.
Yo, why'd you crash into me, dude? Yo. Why'd you do that, bro?
Why are you flying above me? Oh,
Repair
man.
them.
Yeah, what the fuck, dude? That was
You're
all
too
you, man.
close.
That was all you, man.
Nice going.
Yay, we're idiots.
No harm, no foul.
Skirted.
I'm not the one who crashed.
Ah, fuck. Can you push your heli a little bit?
No, I can't.
Wait. I'm gonna push. Stand by. Get on so you die. Get on.
We're gonna die. Push us a little bit. Push us. Push the heli.
Come over here.
Push
We got
the
a
heli
med
just a little
station
bit.
set up. Come here. Come here.
It's good.
Injured people,
It's
come
good.
here.
Get it, guys. Get it.
Oh my god.
Hold on, stop. Push
Stop.
him. Push me.
What the
Yeah,
fuck is
yeah,
going
I
on?
am.
Push
No, not push him in front of you, not to the left, to the right. Push to the right.
Where?
The worst game of squad I've played in a while.
Please.
What the
That's
fuck?
awesome.
How did we down our own
It's
helicopter
good.
already?
Hey.
No, that's not good. That's not good at all. That's really not good.
Just so smoke, man. That's so.
Yo, what?
You guys are getting your rotors caught.